How often you take data protection snapshots is an important decision. In this video, we'll walk through how to configure a remote replication target and set up protection frequencies. Afterwards, we'll discuss guidelines for making good decisions based on your environment. You can see that we have opened Prism element instances of both the primary and remote sites. In the primary Prism element, choose Data Protection from the drop-down menu. Then click on Add Remote Site, give it a name, the IP address, and click on Add Site. Here, enter the source and destination clusters and the vStores. Then hit Save. Now let's add our protection domain. Navigate to Data Protection in the primary Prism Central. Click here and name the new domain. Select the VM and hit Protect Selected Entities. The protected entities will appear here. Then click on Next. Now click on New Schedule so we can configure, add the retention policy, and the remote site. Now click on Create Schedule and close. Now, in the remote Prism element instance, you can verify the remote backup. Fully synchronous, which measures at 0 RPO, is the most reliable but is constrained by cost and latency availability. Near sync is for protecting business-critical applications where data loss must be measured in 1 to 15 minutes. Async is appropriate for protecting standard workloads where losing 1 hour or more of data is an acceptable risk. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.